all our focus right now on Avidrone, the team out of Columbia, Maryland. Again, this is a critical juncture right now as they will come in for 4 nautical miles and drop that payload of 112 pounds, and then they will head back out. So they completed that 4 nautical miles in just over 14 minutes, so they've got plenty of time to complete 1 nautical mile.
Look at it coming in. So nice to see them fly.
Can I just
Look
say
at
that
the control.
that's a buttery smooth landing.
All that matters is that their total distance flown is 5 nautical miles.
Well, they've reached that threshold, so all that is left now is for the touchdown. As you see the altitude coming down now at 50 feet, as we saw the landing when they dropped off the weight, JB, this guy knows what he's doing.
Oh, I love seeing these aircraft fly when they're close to the ground and you can really see the pilot's control. You know, when it's up in the air, you can't always see just how precise his movements are. Just bringing it in nice and stable, and hopefully we see a touchdown right on that landing pad. Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's going to put it right in the center. Now you're just showing off.
Oh, yeah. Well, you got to do it. You got to do it.
So there you go.
Yeah, big high five there. Big high five, a big hug, a big handshake. That looks to me like a successful run and a new leader.
New leader in the clubhouse. Avidrone out of Columbia, Maryland. We'll get you the final numbers, but the 3.8 ratio is what does it. And look at this. Sets down, the rotors can come to a complete stop, and we have gone official. Wow. Nice way to start things off, huh?
Absolutely.